Mamema wakwaba and found bra GCN pages so mesra subscribe to my channel found some ya bell on so ube a notification any sa no yedi news ni tuma obenye biati and that's obenye bia share e wo GCN page ha midi e de adwoa searching e na akronfo no mo anu demi akronfo anu demo musu kai ekobisa omo se omo how ne say omo ya sapon ne say omo esu omo how ina ne say eye new acting IGP His Excellency Dr Akuffo Addo say ombeboa o man Ghana no Dr Akuffo Dampare papa no za papa na abeye new IGP ne de akronfo ewu papa na nipa de ensem we etuje okronfo tetu amwa kire se wabo krono akọ prison ne yame aboa no wapie e na ode sa ensem we etudwa na ne nsem a okay na ne se abro mo ye akronfo no se omo kokrodo bo anase omo ko area bi na so omo te Dr Akuffo Dampare ne ho pampan e wo area ho a na omo keka omo ho etition because papa no o hye for bechew o ya criminal say obechew enti akronfo e de ensem atudo omo ekire say new acting IGP a wa be de omo abre papa asema omo ase na yenti e caption na nipa no e de etudwa
the two Janier. Also, when I was into robbery, whenever we hear the name of COP Dampare, we became terrified and go into hiding, leaving our family behind because we know what he can do. He's an action man who caused the arrest of many armed robbers when he was the Greater Accra Regional Police Commander. It is good that Ghana has him as the next IGP. Armed robbers will not have it easy at all because he will put in place strategies to arrest robbers. When he focuses on a particular robbery gang, he makes sure that he does not only cause your prosecution, but he will also investigate thoroughly and get to where the robbers have their source. That is the kind of police officer Ghana is blessed to have. To the next IGP, no, Onye.
In some way, and obi a wabo krono akọ prison e pie da ode ato dwa say new IGP His Excellency Dr Akuffo Addo ne say ombesom o man Ghana no yade papa no udi mu asem udi nkwasasem wo ye nyema ensem fata bebi a wo hye bia obema na embra no wadi ana say bebi a wo hye bia obetimi achew na de hese omo de ye ono mo de aye nti akronfo no mo anu dem omo esu ka say Dr Akuffo Dampare a wa be new acting IGP de akronfo mo Ghana omo ewu.
We have started on could take you on
good work.
I think that
good work for what you are saying, but we have already started that process. We have started the process. What we are trying to do is Akuffo Dampare is the #1 suspect that because on only the we have all the evidence. The tapes has been authenticated by the Israelis forensic, so we know say Akuffo Dampare for voice, and he said that. So as at on my page now, the aye say ska pesi enya good amount na ya fa lawyer na ye mfa wo Ghana boss tie ni ye
good
ye mfa Ghana lawyer ye fa lawyer we buchiri ha na ye mfa lawyer baako ye fa a team of lawyers na case no ye de ko Ghana na ye ko try case na say Ghana for ye say or ye penin ti omo be kata so na o munja man nkan ade a e hwa na transfer case na ba Hague ye de be ba Hague because it's part of the war crime. When you read the way war crime standard now, the Akuffo Dampare kind it falls in between that a barrier into we can take him on in the Hague. It's because the ebeya me yan say ebeji diska akofa Ghana ni lawyer no te Ghana no Akuffo Dampare for be kwa command car ama case na into the yanka say the lawyer say the free hako se case no say case ni be do a na ya prepare ye ho ye kwa sebe efia omo bedam de ye benya bia ma omo madam what you say the omo bedi de benya bia ma omo then we make sure we who say Ghana for na ye dollar my brother me say sad if I don't do this thing now I will not be satisfied until I see Akuffo Dampare standing in a box telling us why he told people to go and burn transformers, why he told people to kidnap people's kids, why he told that he will make the country until he's able to explain that because a good lawyer, we live in a foreign world. It's expensive, but I'd rather have a competent lawyer who can judicate on a case all the way in Ghana than to pick a Ghana lawyer to wow for some of the NDC for come on the car. There be
influence.
That is not what I'm trying to
do. With them patcho be mean chawano.
Yeah.
It in patcho kasa ube penny the means I benam so etimi esudi and so yen to boaka kaba. Me won down before me wo down before Washington DC ha and near my cost was I've grown on. A yo muhiam. You bet me mobilize your home and then acquire so mumpini be into platform is on acquire to Bobby and be starting now. Why?
A political zone page near political zone gh@gmail.com. A PayPal. If you want to send PayPal, you can Deba and say the people in Ashanti region for that matter, Kumase, say you vote near Dema Mahama. Because they say Mahama Kachina, you say, Asante for the Asabi, ya do go to your crime and cry and ye feno. Or we come and see Echo Sa yen Tio Gu, as soon as the Mubi Muya make a camo. Free SHS where Jimmy Foni Bina Modia Muslim to about the Mahamano. Munima make a camo. The same man, or quite Kumase, mo, yet they say, ye do go to cry your crime as Asante for and Yamufe. Owie ye no ana okọ ayi otoko koso fie ho ana obi say nwuma wo ho nina wo haw ne sen wo ho awrade bi ma semi ma me wo ho Moses oke no wo ho na en dan no wo ho papa ya mbise mu bia kompon kesin di Thompson po na nke ye mboma no ana Josh Alolome ne ye mboma no wo se da bi ope ultimate lumba na nkasa Sibo brothers ope no bi ya peda nwoma asantefo ne yan fa ncheche ya wura wonsam fu an papa we abeka kire na o say oh min show na mehu case min tio na matimu dede nipa be wi ase ba kupo nipa be min tio na matu case o say asantefo ntimu case okosa na otumfo eno so video ho mo meye me say ya no me my platform we don't talk when we don't have evidence so me say dia ye kan bia no ukogbo a utumi ko hwe ampa dia o kan eni min ko tumre me kire usie me kan na wabo ene da ho no oka say ye the gold ye kwan man ya enye ye fawie no e no san ko sa ye nti obia na de ye mahini say sa da no so ban na boy na ye NDC for ban me bufu efu ye pa no boys ni bebre NDC for boys ye rasta mun ye rasta basa nkunko mu basa ye de tie na pe Jimmy for lie, Jimmy na. The Piambo concept. Now mine sika and shit. Pasia Samon Qua, yen me abe fry yen to me a more bra. Yet your maya say and sa 29 years. Still I that should be said already 5 years in his identity if you are see. Now we sorry or your party to beto ababano. Yet your mind as I will so as some way sometimes Ghanaians it's all about critical thinking. Because what your mind show being sat 29 years minia and yet it is not a small you 29 years. Now only pa now who they are there no 29 years no. Onumwaba abejina say oh why is this place not fixed? Why is this place not fixed? Our bra onu nimpefe say onu na breso ofeli ye na onim de ma NDC fo ho eye tan eye hikura ne say omuka say after Rollins Kufo ba yo mo si owe de yes yo bebe bi wo ho ba ye ko ye be di bi yes yo be di bi no ye de ma ho mo no mo si ye de ama papa bi e friend Captain Mahama General Secretary of Top and Create and Loot and Share Family Captain General Mahama himself the darling boy golden boy yes ne hokra na efenti na ma no to abama no Kofi Dubai yes kaswa metua 120 million so de bi ensio yiri ho traffic ache ho Kwame Nkrumah circle ensio petekura na ehwe yi so metua 260 million yeah I'm the boy infrastructure mine airport ensio to na yiri Ana ma dwene bone e wasa papa we etirimunti no ni project ya wo ye ni na nsuo to ya na agiri we so nyame na meka Kwame Nkrumah nsuo to a wo de dawa ko okura utumi yimpata e de kofie Kwame Nkrumah sekre no Dubai now they give you 260 million no nsuo piti sesi a wo fa sonso no e fa dawa wo be yi ndwene ne mpataku ni na wo sesi a so yese ya ye